Well, hello friends. It's been a minute. Now that Indiana Beach is closed and fall is fully here, I don't really know what that's gonna look like for this channel, but I kind of just consider you guys my friends, and I'm hoping that you guys are interested in the things that we do and you'll continue to hang out with us. So that being said, today we are on our very first homeschool outing with other homeschoolers. We have been doing homeschool since this summer, but we had yet to do anything with anybody else who homeschools. And Caroline just got herself stuck at a park.
It's hard. How people use this thing? I don't know.
We are in Hobart. We are going to be going to Erin's farm, but I was overzealous and did not want us to be late, and we got there like 40 minutes early. So we ran down the street about 10 minutes, somewhere on Liverpool, I think, and we found this little park that Caroline is going to move into because she cannot get out. Keep going, keep. Oh.
These guys, so we're starting here. Just up against my leg.
Okay, so here's the tortoises. They'll be going inside after today. We're right on the other side of the piggies, but I think we're gonna get a closer look at them. Hens. And then these things are the coolest. Apparently these are called maras, and they are closely related to guinea pigs. And all I know for sure is that I need one.
Is it share?
Fingernails. So if I watch this, if I open, you'll see. Probably wouldn't know how to find food actually when he's escaped before he's actually just got like blueberries. But how many people would take a blueberry over a piece of cake? You'll be fine. I'm just trying to worst case just one person.
Well, that feels really weird. The other one feels even more weird.
I've actually never seen him move that.
Okay, so far this has been really cool. We are here with a homeschool group, as I mentioned earlier. Right now we are in a field for pigs, and there are goats one field over. We have seen a white skunk that was a rescue. It was a pet, and parrots, and bunnies, and chickens, and the, what did I call them? Malas? They were so cute. You guys sure are cute. Oh, you got prosthetic legs. This baby is by herself. She's waiting on a prosthetic leg. You sweetheart. There are some rescue cows. Aww. Thank you. Thank you, Caroline. What's been your favorite thing here at the farm?
Can you look over?
The horsies?
All the ponies.
All of it. So the maras are coming awful close because I keep leaving them food, but still. The wind just took those away from us, ruined my plan.
That's how you do it.
Okay, so our tour is over. We've done all of the learning, and now we get to feed them. And that has been super fun so far. I don't know how I'm going to get my daughter to leave because I'm pretty sure she wants to move in. Also, this is her friend that she's made from today that she just really loves. Made a couple of friends, and I'm excited because a lot of them are going to be at the next couple homeschool adventures we go on. So, yay for friends.